Police have busted an alleged case of illegal sand transportation along the NH-66 highway and seized a tipper truck carrying river sand without valid permission. According to police, the action was taken on Monday afternoon near the Naibag slope area at Porascadem in Pernem. Police said the case was registered based on a complaint filed by PSI Prathmesh Parsekar. During the operation, officers inspected a Tata tipper truck and found it transporting around 7 cubic meters of river sand, estimated to worth nearly 20,000 rupees. The accused driver has been identified as 37-year-old Dinesh Yadav, a resident of Mulem in Paroda. Police alleged that the sand was being transported illegally for personal financial gain and that the act amounts to theft of government property. The owner of the vehicle, identified as 31-year-old Shahanoor Sandhi, also from Mulem, Paroda, has also been booked in connection with the case. Police have seized the tipper truck and launched further investigation to trace the source of sand and examine possible links to illegal mining activities in the region. Authorities have intensified checks on illegal extractions and transport of natural resources across Goa, especially along key highway routes, amid growing concern over environmental violations.